Okay, what do you want to watch?
My daddy, and watch my daddy, his firefighter show.
Yeah, why do you want to watch that one?
Because I like it because I'm a firefighter, remember?
Oh, yeah. Wait, come back. Tell me more about this video.
Because they are all firefighters.
Yeah?
Yeah. Because they are all firefighters, and sometimes they're just do a lot of fire.
Yeah.
And there's a lot of hoses.
What's your favorite part of the movie?
All the parts. All the parts are my favorite. That's what firefighters do.
Yeah. Are you a firefighter?
Yeah.
What do you do?